In this video, we are going to learn how to create the multiplication table of 6. For this, we are going to use a different technique. So we are going to use the table of 5 and table of 1 to create the multiplication table of 6. Have you ever wondered how is this possible? How can we build a table of 6 using two different tables? So let's try to figure this out. We all know that if we add 5 and 1, we get 6, right? So if I take 5 balloons here and I take one more balloon, I'm going to get 6 balloons, right? So I added 5 and one balloon to get 6 balloons, right? If I take 10 balloons, so here I'm taking 10 balloons and I add 2 more balloons to it. So I'm going to get here, if I add them up, I'm going to get 12 balloons, right? So what did I do? I took 5 times 1. So if I take this 5 times 1, which is 5 balloons, 1 times 1, 1 balloon makes 6 times 1, which is 6 balloons. So 5 times 1 plus 1 times 1 will make 6 times 1. Similarly, 5 times 2, which are 10 balloons, plus 1 times 2, 2 balloons, will make 6 times 2, which is 12 balloons. It's very easy, right? So let's try to write these numbers. 5 times 1. We already learned the table, how to create the table of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. And table of 1, that's super easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how do we create the table of 6 now? What did we do here in the example? To get 6 times 1, we added 5 times 1, which is 5, plus 1 times 1, which is 1. For 6 times 2, we are going to pick 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 1 times 2, which is 2. 6 times 3 will be 5 times 3, plus 1 times 3. 6 times 4 will be 5 times 4, plus 1 times 4. 6 times 5 will be 5 times 5, plus 1 times 5. 6 times 6 will be 5 times 6 plus 1 times 6. And you repeat the same for the remaining numbers. 8, you get 45 plus 9 and you get 50 plus 10. So now when we are going to add all of them, let's see what result do we get. So 5 times 1 is, let me write it in a different color so that you see it clearly, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. So that's your 6 times table. It's ready. So again, a quick recap, very easy to build. You write down the 5 times table, you write down the 1's time table, you add up these numbers and these numbers to get your final 6 times table answer. That's all for this video. Enjoy, have fun, bye bye.